Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is April the 26th and I am using my brand new pip trigger trading system. This one uses a Hull moving average, other indicators top and bottom, along with this awesome oscillator. And I added about 4 months after I did the videos, this super signal indicator. It does not come within the pip trigger. If you want the super signal indicator, it comes in the Easy Trader package. If you want to see the 4 different packages that I offer, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, before the New York opens, so at 6 o'clock a.m. New York time, I'm looking at all the different instruments and I'm checking out my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's running in real time and it can change from bullish to bearish if the lower time frames are kicking in. So you have to be aware of that. Now in real time earlier, I've taken all the trades based on this daily trade plan EA. All the buys, it said bullish trades, or sells were bearish trades. This is a must-have. If you don't have this, and plus you have to know how to use it. And please keep in mind that trading is very difficult, and even after you get the packages, you will still need support. And if you do not have support, or if you do not get support, which I gives full support, if you don't get support, you will still fail at trading. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. First one is the Dow Jones. Now this Dow Jones does pay $5 for each tick. So looking at the money, and I used a calculator, so it certainly looks like it should be 20 ticks, and if I was still in the trade, I'd be making more. But I basically close out the trades when I'm happy, and I'm happy when I have 200 or more pips and ticks. Some traders ask me, what are my targets? I don't have targets. If you can get 200 or more pips or ticks per day, you don't need targets, as you'll be doing very well in your account. So let's see now. Got in at this cursor and I close it out here with 20 ticks. There it is, and those 20 ticks paid out $100. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. This one I wanted to be buying, qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see now. Market's very random, could have easily gone straight up, but many times this will happen, doesn't bother me. That's why a 10 pip stop most often will not hold. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out being happy, looks like with 18 pips. And those 18 pips paid out $132. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. On this Euro Aussie, wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Went mostly sideways until finally it went up, and I was 95% sure it was going to go up. Got in at this cursor, closed it out here. At this cursor, locking in about 35 pips, and those 35 pips ended up paying out $237. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Here we go. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. I was 95% sure I had a winner. same as the previous trade, went sideways and then finally went up. So I got in at this cursor and I closed it out here being happy, looks like with 40 pips. And those 40 pips paid out $251. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Here we go. Russell does pay $10 on each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 27 ticks. Let's see where I got in at. Now remember, the market's very random and it could have easily just gone straight up. There was your buy signal. I was a little bit late checking it out, but that's okay. I knew I was going to get some. Wasn't looking for 200 ticks. Got in at that cursor and what did they say, 27. There it is right there, 27 ticks. That ended up paying out $270. Remember, you have to have trade management in order and money management in order. And there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And of course, you need a daily trade plan. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Here it is here. Euro CAD wanted to be buying. Everything looked good for going up. Got in here. Market went a little sideways, a little down. There's your super signal indicator there. That's where I should have got in, which I would have ended up with about 12 or 13 pips more to the good. But that's okay. I was happy with this pip total. Looks like about, let's go with 38. And those 38 pips paid out $286. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Euro Dollar. The USD is on the right hand side. So that means it pays $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, this should be 30. Make sure I bring the Euro Dollar up first of all. Then I can bring this up to see where I got in at. So let's see, 30. There it is right there, 30 pips. And those 30 pips ended up paying out $300. Okay, moving on to the next trade, crude oil. This one pays $10. Looks like this was the best mover of the day. And this is the main reason I do 5-10 trades a day when I'm trading, as I never know which instrument is going to move the most. So let's see where I got in at. There's your sell super signal indicator. There's your arrow from the daily trade plan. And since it pays $10 for each tick, this should be, as I'm looking at the money, should be 108. 108. There it is right there. 108 ticks, and it paid out $1,080. So another great day of trading, and I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. The grand total was 316, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,657. So if you have any interest, and of course if your system is not producing like my pip trigger, well, recommend you get your hands on the pip trigger and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, all you got to do is Skype me. Now if you want my contact information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you will get that information. Now you can either pick up the phone and call me, or you can email me, but I really do prefer Skype. And with Skype, we can have Skype connection and screen sharing where I can answer your questions. Now, as I mentioned, if you look right below the video, you will see this button right here that says Show More. Once you click on it, another window, it expands. If you want to get in contact with me through Skype, it's simple. All you got to do is click on this link. You can read everything here. Now I do have 4 packages. I do recommend you getting all 4. Each package is $250, and I have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. Now I happen to have one other special offer, and if you want to know what that is, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. So the pip trigger system does not include the super signal. You have to buy number 3, this package here. And of course the training videos, 22 in the pip trigger and 20 in the How I Trade Live. And the other 2 packages, number 2 and 3, has 4 training videos in each package. And if you scroll down, you'll get a lot of information and what each package, what you will receive in each package. So anyhow, now you know what to do if you have interest. Just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.